Hi, in front of me is RUGGEAR RG655 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. First of all, you need to go into settings. Now scroll down, choose system and click languages and input. Go into virtual keyboard and your current keyboard, in my case Gboard. Over here tap on theme and click show more to see all available options. When you're done, you can pick a color, click on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them and tap apply. But you can also download one of these images by clicking on the chosen one and doing exactly the same. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!